Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes. I actually got some color ones, which I've never used, so I'm kind of nervous just because I don't know what they're going to look like. And this is what they look like. It has green, orange, purple, blue, and brown, and then these ones are just brown, which I think will look better on my lashes because when I'm wearing the dark ones, sometimes like after a couple of days, like the top of them, you can see the brown because my lashes are brown. Against the black, you can just kind of tell a difference, but like it doesn't bother me or anything. And then sometimes when I'm doing my eyeshadow, it kind of gets on there, and I wear a lot of brown shadows, so I think that kind of makes it turn even more brown. But sorry, I'm still sick. That's why my voice sounds a little off. But let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is this one, and they are a D mix, and it goes from 16 millimeters. I think they're all 16 millimeters. Yes, they're all 16 millimeters. And this one is it just has rolls. No, it goes 8 millimeters, 10, 12, 14, 16. And it looks like that's it. So that's on this one. I'm not going to be using these ones today. I'm just going to be using these ones right here. I may actually use some of these in the corner. I'm going to do brown, and then I'm going to put the colored ones on top of those, because then it's just going to look weird if I just use the colored ones, because you're going to be able to see my natural lashes underneath it, if that makes any sense. And then I have this little set that they sell. It's like rose gold, super cute. So I have that, a spoolie, and then some tweezers, which are great for just cleaning up your brows. So I've already cleaned up my brows and everything, so I don't have to do that. So I will be using this right here, and then I have the lash glue that's right here. It is step 1 and step 2. This is the glue, step 1, and then step 2 is the sealers. So let's go ahead and get right in this so this video is not super long. I'm going to just move you guys in, and then I'm going to show you how to apply them. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting the glue on. So I'm just going to put it on like mascara. And it does have the micro mascara wand, which is my favorite way to apply the lashes. So just like that. And then I'm going to go in with these ones to start out with. I'm going to start with the 16 millimeters, which are at the very bottom. I'm going to put 2 of those on. This one actually broke. So I'm going to start out like that. I'm going to do another 16. So just like that. And then I'm going to go in with a 14 millimeter. Just be really careful taking these off because they are breaking. This one did not break, but most of them have been breaking. The 2 16s broke when taking them off, so just be careful. So there's a 14, and I'm going to do another 14. So just like that, and then I'm going to do a 12 milliliter. Or you know what, I'm going to do a 10. Since it's in the corner. Okay, just like that. So I have 16, 16, 14, 14, and then a 10. And now I'm just going to press them all down. And then we're going to start off with the colored ones. I'm gonna go ahead and brush these out a little bit. Okay, and for the colored ones, I think I'm gonna do blue. I like the color blue. Or should I do green? I'm gonna do green. We're just gonna do green. It'll match my room. Okay. So for these ones, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to apply the lash bond to the lash itself. So I'm just gonna go behind it like this. Add the bond on top of it. And then we're gonna glue it from underneath, like I've done all the other ones. Oh, that's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna do 2 greens right there. If you want to, you can put more than just one color. I'm just choosing to do one color. So just like that. So as you can see, it gave it just like a pop of color on the outside. Let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera and I'll be right back and show you what the end results look like. Okay, so that is what it looks like completed. Different, I'm not used to this, but I do like it. It gives a little pop of color, especially if I was wearing like some green eyeshadows or maybe some like more earthy tones. I think that would look really, really pretty. And maybe if I put some black mascara on the bottom of my lashes. But I love the way this looks. Let me go ahead and show you from the side. So that is what it looks like looking straight forward. That's on top, down, and then that's straightforward. Super pretty, super easy to apply. So I did have a little breakage on the 16s, but I didn't have any breakage on any of these or on the colored ones. It may have been just like the batch of the 16s or something. Maybe they weren't glued on that well, but I was still able to get them on. I just had to do it in 2 different sections. But other than that, I really do like the way that this turned out. It gives a splash of color. And if you didn't want the color to be so bold, you could glue it from on the top of your lashes, like do the dark ones, and then just put this on the top of your lash, and it would give like, you know, just a little bit of color if you wanted that. But I like the way it looks. I'm not complaining whatsoever. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.